This is HB Marshall with Your Crawlspace. Today we want to answer a few questions about our crawlspace access doors. So the last year we've gotten some questions about how to measure for a crawlspace access door and how our crawlspace access doors measure. So we've made some changes to our existing door model, and we've got a couple new crawlspace doors for 2022 that we want to introduce and demonstrate today. So the first crawlspace door we want to go over today is our standard YCS access door. This is going to be 100% PVC construction crawlspace door. You're going to have 1x4 PVC trim on the outside with a PVC panel. The way that this door is going to measure, the measurement that we provide, the size of the door, is actually going to be the measurement of the door panel itself. If the door measures 17 by 33, that is going to be the measurement of the panel itself. Keep in mind when ordering this door that you've got a 1x4 trim piece around the outside. So your total width and height of the crawlspace door is going to include this 1x4 trim piece, which measures out to roughly 3 inches. So you're going to want to add roughly 3 inches on each side of the measurement provided to see if the door is going to fit. And that can be important if you've got siding that butts down or you've got an obstruction on the outside of the door frame of the door opening itself. The other key question we get is how do we mount and install these doors? The best way to mount and install the standard YCS access door is going to be with tap cons, which we provide in a hardware kit. Will come in a bag just like this. The tap cons are going to be white. You'll pre-drill 2 holes either at the top and the bottom or on the sides here and here, and you will put your tap cons in. The hardware kit's also going to include a barrel bolt and a handle if you wish to install that. The door has our patented slot and lock technology. So it's going to have a slot on that end the door's going to slide into, and then it's going to close. You would install your barrel bolt here and your handle would go in the center. So the second door that we want to talk about today, this is going to be our YCS Pro access door. It's going to be an upgrade over our standard access door. The key thing with this door is it's going to be a thicker door. It's going to be multi-layered. It's all PVC construction, similar to our standard access door, but it's just going to be a little bit sturdier, a little bit more stout. We've got an upgraded sort of aesthetic aspect of the door with this 2-inch brick molding around all 4 sides. So whereas with the standard YCS access door, you've got a 1x4 trim piece, the Pro door is going to have a 2-inch brick molding trim around all 4 sides. So the door is going to measure the same way as the standard access door. The measurement we provide is going to be the measurement of the actual opening panel itself. So the door is going to measure inside the frame to inside the frame. When mounting the door, keep in mind you do have this 2-inch brick molding trim around all 4 sides. So you'll want to add that when you take your nominal width and height of the door to make sure that it's going to fit on your opening. With the Pro door, you're going to have a little bit different setup on the inside. It's going to come weather stripped, as is the standard access door, but you're going to have these nice inset magnets that are going to allow the door panel to sit on the frame flush. It's still going to have the slot in one side, but it's going to slide in on one side, and then you're going to have the magnets to attach on the other side. The second upgraded feature about the Pro door is you're going to have your mounting points pre-drilled. So if you look on the inside of this frame here, we've got pre-drilled mounting points on the inside of the frame, here and here. They're only going to come on the sides. So there's not going to be a mounting option pre-drilled on the top and the bottom. It can be added, but the door is going to come ready to mount with pre-drilled access screw holes on the sides. When the door panel is installed, it's simply going to slide in and set on. This door will not come with the handles attached, but it will come with the hardware kit, which will just include the handles. The hardware kit for this door will not include the mounting screws, but it will include these handles, which will be attached to the back of the door when you get the door in the box. So the third and final door we want to review today is going to be another new door offering for YCS in 2022. This is something we've gotten a lot of requests for, and we're pretty excited to offer it. This is going to be a completely custom made-to-order door. So I want to go over a couple things. I want to go over how to measure your crawlspace opening again, how this door measures, and then kind of some of the features of the door and how it installs. It's going to be constructed very similar to our Pro door. So you're going to see you've got the 2-inch brick mold trim around all 4 sides to kind of give it a nice decorative look. You're going to have that slot and lock technology where the door is actually going to slide into the slot, and then you're going to have the same magnets that you have on the Pro door that allow the door to kind of fasten itself and hold it in place. The biggest difference with this door is it's going to be made to order. So when we take an order for a custom door, we're going to require a couple things. We're going to require you to send us a picture of the access opening via email. We're also going to need the inside dimensions of your crawl space opening at the narrowest point. And that measurement should not include any kind of wood frame, any kind of metal frame. So we're going to need you to measure from foundation to foundation point, side to side, and up and back. Your door is going to come made to fit in that opening. So if you look at this door, the biggest difference is between this door and the Pro door is that you've actually got a lip here. It's going to allow the door to set inside of a foundation opening. When we send the door to you, you're going to get the door, you're going to get the hardware just like you would with the Pro door, but you're going to get some shims and some blocks to install the door. You're going to install this door similar to the way you would install any door, screen door, storm door, into a foundation. So you're going to give us the inside measurement the door is going to fit in. We're going to give you a little play on either side. We're going to give you the shims and the blocks to get the door kind of secured, and then you can affix the door with a screw or with a construction adhesive to hold it in place. The critical thing here is going to be getting us the correct measurements inside to inside and getting us the photo. If you have any additional questions about doors, how to measure opening sizes, how our doors measure, or how to install them, give us a call today at 1-877-44-CRAWL or visit our website at www.yourcrawlspace.com.